just finished renovating your home? The work's not done yet, you still have to clean up. Let's take your tiled floors for a start. It's probably coated with dust and dirt from the renovation. That being said, let's walk through the steps to cleaning your tiles so you can move back in your revamped home. But before anything else, let the dust settle for at least a day or two after the renovation project. Once the wait is over, open all the doors and windows. This keeps your home well ventilated to get rid of residual dust and odors. Now let's get started. You'll need a few cleaning supplies, namely, a soft bristled broom, a vacuum cleaner, mop, bucket, microfiber cloths, and a mild cleaning solution. Now the first step is to inspect the floor for grout residue, stains, and protective coverings. Do wear rubber gloves, knee pads, and a dust mask if necessary so you don't strain your hands, knees, or inhale any particles. Then, mix your cleaner with warm water in the bucket. Sweep or vacuum the tiles to remove most of the dust. Afterward, rinse the tiles with water, then use a mop to apply the cleaning solution. Gently mop the floor and target any stubborn spots. Don't forget to wash the cleaned sections with water to remove the residue. You should clean the grout lines too. Scrubbing it gently with a toothbrush and a paste made of baking soda and water will do the trick. Once you're done, wipe the floor with the microfiber cloth and leave it to air dry. Isn't it nice to have a sparkling clean tiled floor? It takes quite a bit of effort, but don't worry. If you don't have time to clean up after a renovation, let Kung Fu Helper do the work for you. Our professional house cleaners can make sure your place is move-in ready. So give us a call if you're ready for a post-renovation cleanup.